Yoga is an ancient practice that has evolved over the centuries to become a popular practice around the world. The practice was first developed in India about 5,000 years ago as a way to strengthen the body and mind. The word yoga comes from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to unite or to harmonize, as yoga aims to connect the individual with his or her environment and achieve a state of inner peace. The specific origins of yoga are uncertain, but it is often considered to have emerged in the Vedic tradition of ancient India. Vedic sacred texts, such as the Upanishads, contain references to meditation and breathing practices similar to those used in yoga today. The Upanishads were written around 3000 BC. They describe yoga as a spiritual path to reach liberation of the soul, or moksha. These sacred texts of the Hindu tradition describe the spiritual teachings of ancient India. According to them, yoga is a way to link the body and the mind, and to understand the true nature of the self. Yoga is a way to control the fluctuations of the mind while purifying the mind and achieving a state of calm and serenity. Various yoga techniques are cited in the Upanishads, with details on yoga postures, conscious breathing, meditation, contemplation, and concentration to achieve these spiritual goals. Yoga is presented as a personal practice, which requires discipline and regular practice to achieve the desired results. Meditative yoga is a form of yoga that emphasizes meditation and mindfulness practice. It focuses on cultivating inner peace and connection to one's true self, using techniques such as conscious breathing, visualization, meditation, and contemplation. Meditative yoga is considered a way to overcome the limitations of the mind and connect to one's true spiritual nature. It can help reduce stress, depression, anxiety, and other mental disorders, as well as improve mental clarity, creativity, and focus. There are many forms of meditative yoga, each with different techniques and goals. Some forms of meditative yoga, such as yoga nidra, focus on deep relaxation and release. Others, like vipassana yoga, focus on mindfulness meditation and self-awareness. There are also more active forms of meditative yoga, such as slow movements, conscious breathing, and yoga postures. Meditative yoga is a personal practice that can be adapted to all levels of experience and ages. It can be practiced alone or in a group, in class or at home, and can be incorporated into other practices such as physical yoga to enhance the beneficial effects on the body and mind. On a physical level, yoga can help improve flexibility, muscle strength, balance, and posture. It can also help reduce chronic pain such as back pain, headaches, and joint pain. It can help improve breathing, circulation, and digestion. In addition, yoga can help reduce stress and anxiety levels, which can have beneficial effects on heart health. Mentally, yoga can help improve mental clarity, memory, focus, and creativity. It can also help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Regular yoga practice can also help increase self-confidence and self-esteem, as well as foster a sense of calm and inner peace.